Roots of the disaster, 1919 to 1939. World War II didn't start in 1939. Its roots go back to 1919 and the Hall of Mirrors in Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles was an imposed peace. Germany lost 13% of its territory and all its colonies. Its army was limited to 100,000 men, no air force, no tanks. The Allies assigned Germany sole guilt for the war and demanded 132 billion gold marks in reparations, which squeezed the economy. In Germany, this became the shame of Versailles. Hyperinflation hit in 1923. Mass unemployment followed after 1929. Street violence grew. In this crisis, a failed painter named Adolf Hitler rose to power. At the same time, the Great Depression pushed millions into poverty. Governments faltered, and extremist parties grew. Fascism took power in Italy, Nazism in Germany, and militarists in Japan. The League of Nations was weak. Sanctions did little. Appeasement bought aggressors time. Japan advanced in Asia. In Europe, Germany step by step broke treaty limits and moved toward war. By 1939, it took only one spark to ignite a new conflict.